Hey everyone, how are you? We're back after something like 10 days. I was very busy with personal issues, so not make too much. I only send the work with the graphics work and the graphics work back. We continue today with few very important things, not only about the app, also things that you must to do with your account and also the progress with the app. I'm going now show you the review process. First of all, graphics change, name change, apps. It's like 3 times smaller and Google Analytics edit. Okay, I'm going to show you. Is the new icon of the app. Is the app. Is the name look now like this. You can put emoji in the icon. Okay. Emoji, it's very easy to find. If you want to find all emojis, you only need to click emoji, get emoji, and here you can get all the emojis you want. You can use them also in the description, by the way. Okay, very cool, and it's make the app more visible. It's not hurt your ranking and not make nothing to the app. So it's the emoji what we get. I save it later for the links. Name, I make more shorter name to try to rank better. I'm going to show a little the ranking. APK much smaller. I asked the developer of the app to make the size of the app more smaller, so it's going to be more easy for people to download the app. So now the size is only 31 megabyte. Before the size was 83 megabyte. Okay, it's very critical because simply people not have unlimited place in the device and they want to download more smaller apps. Also 32, 33, it's not small, but it's already normal. Okay, and it was, like you see, it was possible because the app was too big, and it's one of the reasons why it's not get any downloads until now, and it's really in the bottom of the store. Now the downloads not grow because I really not make nothing. I only change the name and change the graphics, so not too much happened. It's going to be hard to take it from the button of the store, but we're going to do it. It will succeed in the end. It's much easier with new app. You need to remember also the app is not the best level, so we will see how going to be. Even we can see here the installs, so like everyone uninstalled the app after some time. Maybe it's also because the size before, but now the size is more small, so we're going to see how it's going to affect. Okay, let's back. And Google Analytics added. Okay, I don't know again your experience, not experience. Little about Google Analytics and Firebase. Firebase is the best version of Google Analytics. It also include analytics. It include more things you can make. It include linking. It include also even AdMob in Firebase. If you want to use the more simple, I don't have so much experience with Firebase, I must to tell you. I more know about Google Analytics. And in Google Analytics you can put sessions and track sessions and views, and you can see like 11 views of first level. Okay, I guess level 0 is the demo level. It's not really grow. It only look like this. It's not grow, even it look like this. You can see in real time. Let's see now real time how many people played the app. I guess it's 0 because the app not have too much rank downloads. But let's go for some different of app I have. Let's go for this one. Time drop is some app of client, so you can see in live how many people in your app. And here is how many people daily users of your app in audience, and here we can see again it's very basic. Also 0 now in the app. Okay, but it's already show you some data. Now you can see more things in Google Analytics. You can put events, that you can track your events in Google Analytics and see events that happen in the app. You can behavior, let's see, behavior. For example, here. Again, things need to set up in the app, all these events by your team. Attention. It's, for example, how many people share in the coins, review, 4 or 5 stars, Facebook share, it's in a purchase. So these things you can put in Google Analytics, and it's very, very cool and not complicated. You can ask your developer, and if you're a developer, you must add it to your app to see what happened in your app, okay? It's critical. Now, little about what people look in the store, okay? Like I made last time, I'm going to put you through links for articles that I read, and they're really good. This article talk about how people look in the store and what they are search. So it's the way people look after apps, okay? It's like browsing in the store. It's iOS and Android, friends, top rated, and more options. You can see blogs, magazine, newspaper, and more. Okay, hearing a radio is very low. Receiving ad on my mobile phone. I more want to talk, it's a talk about quality. I more want to talk about how people look on the store. In the web, people look in 3 ways. Okay, do, know, go. What it mean? So show examples. Do, edit photos or edit photos online. Know how to edit photos. Go, program to edit photos. Mobile, it's work little differently, okay? See what here? It's something about long tail keywords. Most of the people not look only one keyword, like they don't look for games. They look kids games, for example, or brain teaser puzzle. No, most of the people not look after one word. So think about it's the balance. Generally one word is about app or brand, like Facebook. Okay, critical, think about it. See this, see how you're searching on the store. Feature queries, somebody subscribe to the channel. Photo blender, photo editor, photo effects, or brand. It's one of the things that I make in Google, in ASO. I try to find relevant, it's called here feature queries, and try to put apps that I can follow, because basically what people look in the store. Here is talk about the keyword tool. I don't still understand what they have in the keyword tool, because they don't really share it, but they have a keyword tool that can give you data from the mobile. But again, if you will know how people look, nobody look in the store how to edit photos. Okay, the people more look like this: edit photos or edit photos online, and program to edit photos. So the search in the store are more shorter than the web, and it's interesting. When you make your ASO, you must to know it. Google Analytics Firebase, I talk about it. Critical to put in your app Google Analytics or Firebase, and you can, like this, it's free, it's not cost any money, and only the integration will cost you money with your developer, and you can follow many things. Again, if you want to know about it, simply go to Google and how to use Google Analytics. That's all. Now little about ASO for ASO desk. If you remember, we already have some progress. I want to show a little progress with keywords. If you remember first time, we don't rank for nothing. Okay, we're already 26th place in US for hard riddles for kids, and we have some ranking and we're going to grow. Okay, it's already start to get some ranking. If you go here, I want to show a little how the ranking grow, and I not make nothing yet, I only change like the title. Okay, Israel, hard riddles 4, 9th place, not bad. Hard riddles for free, already 12th place. You see, it's only the title that I change make the ranking. It's little crazy. Okay, it's already 12th place, it's not bad at all. I don't know how it's in US, but let's see in UK. 26. Let's go to Australia. Also not move too much. Greece. Okay, so basically my title already start to rank. Not bad. And we're going to push it more to get some organic traffic. I told you if you want to use ASO desk, so I talk with them. If you want, you can put this coupon, and for every subscription you get 10% free. Okay, lifetime 10% free. So you can basically, when you register, to put this coupon. If you don't have option to coupon, ping them. When you see this video, they will give you this the discount lifetime. Okay, very cool system. I'm going to make separated video for ASO desk because I really like them, and also they have suggestions. It's easy to see the competitors, and it's very cool. Again, it's really hard to show you now on this app because we don't rank yet for nothing, but when it's going to rank, it's going to have very good option to try to make better results than our competitors. Okay, now we're going to move. Meanwhile, I don't make too much. I need to get my get my screenshots. I don't know if I show the screenshots. You need to put here the titles with keywords you want to rank. It also help. So going to move. I'm going to show you something about ASO part. After you're going to move. Okay, this updated it's like 10 days ago. It's very relevant. And I'm going to show you a few things. A search is important. First, can you answer? I don't want to answer for nothing. It's how people search. Like 80% search in the store. Organic downloads is the way people search in the store. It's less interesting for me. They look for brand, non-brand, browsing. It's mean brand like Facebook, non-brand. They look after social apps, and 20% are simply try to find something relevant. Okay, it's from the 80% of who search from the store in Google Play. It's a lot. It's really a lot. Let's back. Okay, how you optimize your app. So I read this, and everything here it's right. I don't see many articles with everything right, and I'm going to make like part 2 for ASO in next time when I'm going to make ASO with you for the app. So first of all, I want to show you a few things that are very critical for the app. Okay, dramatic improvement position, main keyword in your app title. I always talk about it, and here I simply call the game like my main keyword. I call it hard riddles because the app it's very low in the ranking. If you remember, it's called ZZZ, but I decided to make one more move and call the app the name my main keyword because it's totally not ranked, and now it's already growing the ranking. So if you have a game, call him the name of the game. It needs to be some short name like, I don't know, breakstone, and explain the name of your main keyword. I can go to the store, so I can show you what some apps made. Physics drop, real air, how to draw, maze and more. Keyjoy, it's for example. Mandela coloring pages. Movie 5 virtual pet game. Oh, he already used the icon in the title. I don't saw too many games use it yet. It's one of them. So people already start to use it. I use it for all my games. The icon in the emoji in the title. So use your main keyword in the title. Okay, it's increase your ranking, and you can see what I did and automatically increase my ranking of hard riddles. Have mixed feelings about this because I believe not such good thing. Don't worry, use it. Now, about the description. When you make your keyword research and you find your main keyword, and it's for me, it's for hard riddles, you need to use it 5 times in the description. Okay? If it's your description, I still can't find my app by ZZ because it's my description. And it's the only way to find it fast. Meanwhile, I need to put hard riddles or every keyword I want 5 times in the description. Okay? If you don't put it 5 times, so you're going to rank more low, and you need to choose one of the keywords that you want to rank. It's going to rank very high, like I make. I take up with totally without downloads and totally with nothing, like it's like new app, and I rank for not easy. Total apps is much more. When 250, it's only like it's only search like this in the Google store. But for very hard keyword, I already rank in 26. In some countries, already like 15. So it's totally crazy. Only because I really concentrate to try to rank for this keyword, and you start for one keyword and start to improve. Because when you start to get downloads, so you start to rank for more keywords, you start to get reviews, and you start to rank on the reviews, but in the keywords in the reviews. So everything going to move. But it's a start. If your app not automatically don't have budget to now buy a lot of installs, it's the only way to do it. Okay, I guess many of you not have any downloads in Google Play and don't know why. So it's one of the options to start. Next, beautiful design screenshots. Yes, of course, it's something that I'm going to improve even more now. You can go here to see the examples. Promo video, I'm going to make it next move. Make cool promo video with my team. If you need promo videos, also we now make with my team. It's critical for YouTube. It's critical for Google Play. You can add it to YouTube channel, and after it you can open Facebook's app. I'm going to talk about this too. Getting good reviews, since rating. Again, I don't know what the developer put in the app to get more reviews. I don't care because now we don't have any installs, but I will going to show you next time also a few options to get reviews. These options now less effective than before because it's, I guess you know, the groups that you can exchange reviews with developers. Some sites in the last 2-3 months Google started to reveal it, so I don't sure if I want to show you, but I'm going to show you system that you can use in the app to get more reviews easily. Okay, again, not today. Increase usage. Okay, it's something very critical for ASO. You can't really make nothing with this. Only the option is make better app. It's now very critical for the algorithm, with people use it on a regular basis, and it really improve your writing. Again, I don't know my app what going to do. I guess meanwhile the results not amazing, but it's not something I can control. Now, the first 167 characters in the app description are also searched in web search, and I have a good feeling they also rank better. Okay, so better to make them very relevant to the app. Okay, the things that you want people to find. Okay, now it's the next thing. How to find the keywords for the app. Okay, download relevance. It's basically a few factors. If the keyword is not, I will tell you more easy. In iOS, I make some tricks sometimes. I make it more in stores but less popular. I put keywords in the keywords field, but totally not have any connection to the app. But I rank second place after very, very, very trendy, something trendy. It was like war in Israel, so it's app called, I guess some Israeli guys see me here, Tseva Adom. I must show it even. And I put myself in the same category and in the same keyword of some kids app. It's, by the way, my ASO tool for iOS. I don't show it here in Android, but you can go to the site, look first for Astolik ASO tool, you will find it. I must to show you. Okay, it's in Hebrew. Let's see where it's ranked even today. The game already not rank. Okay, something changed in the algorithm of Apple. All the guy who buy it changed it. Okay, I was second place here before. It's very interesting, but it's not rank already. It's the less work today. So download relevance. The keywords you want to rank need to be relevant to your app. If the keywords not to be relevant, most of the time you will not download it. Or if you're second place after a very, very popular app and the user don't have any different options, so it's not bad idea. Not, of course, you don't need to be you need not rank after trademarks. Keywords rank differently. You can see it's in ASO desk about how much estimated traffic. You don't see here the keyword difficulty. I can tell you that I don't really believe on it on the ranking that some sites give about difficult to be in the first places. I can only tell you that you can look on the competitors and think how much hard going to be in the top. Okay, that's all. Don't think too much about how difficult. Make basically relevant keywords to your app and search traffic. It's critical. You want things that have a lot of traffic to rank. Okay, it's what I always try to do, because in the end you will get many combinations but you want this traffic. It's very hard to think after every keyword. Again, we don't talk about iOS. Simply try to find keywords that have traffic. It's my suggestions. Now, if you want to rank for keyword in first place, you're going to take most of the traffic. You need to remember in Google Play, when somebody search you, the first 6 results are visible in the first page. I think the 6 or the 5 results. So B4 or 5 is not big different. Okay. Little more about Google rank. Number of ratings, how many people rate you, amount of downloads grow, uninstalls. Okay, uninstalls rate and usage are things that are very critical today, because it's the way that the algorithm can recognize good apps. It's something, again, the only option is make good apps. Links to Google Play page. Getting people to write about your app improves your search ranking in the Play Store It's what Google say here, and it's still right. And it's what I'm going to do today to start to build links to the app. And it means articles about the app, and people are going to put the link of the app, and in this option, not maybe I will also get direct downloads, but also it's going to improve my ranking. And always what I do about it, I ask them to put the link under keyword I want to rank. For example, Hard Riddles, the name of the game, and is the reason also called name like this. So it's something most of the developers don't know. You can promote your app like you promote your site with link building. Different between Apple and Google now checking before publication is not as relevant. Keyword and your Apple description. In Apple again, I move to next one. So a few things that are really critical. It's about the title, the description, how to, again, we're going to talk about more deeply next video, 5 times the main keyword. And I think the second thing is keyword ranking, not keyword ranking, about the link building. All the rest, you don't have too much to do, okay? How to find the relevance and all this part I'm going to show you in the next video. It's going to be a very big part about ASO. Okay, video preview. Also going to be next part is the having the store option to put video of the app. You put simply the video in YouTube, and here you have option to put a video, promo video. And when people go to your store, so under the feature graphic in the top of the, if you remember the feature graphic, I don't know if you remember, I don't show it here, is the feature graphic. Under the feature graphic it's going to be the video. So basically people can click and see your game. If your game not good, I don't know if it's a good idea to make a video, but if you have a good video team, you can make what you want, so you can show very cool feature of the game, even a game is not amazing. Okay, now link building, I find few gigs that I'm going to buy to start make some link building. I will promote your app in the top app category in my best blog. How I find him, I simply write in Fiverr about it and try to find the best options of preview. I see this guy look good ranking. Why not? It costs $5, and it's going to be good link building because it's going to come from blog but relevant for your app. So I'm going to order these things. I'm going to put the links for the link I order if you want to use, but you can find by yourself in Fiverr. I'm going to ask my virtual assistant to start to share the app link in the forums and blogs, Facebook pages relevant for the topic. Educational games, puzzle games. How you make it? Again, you go to forums. Let's see. Educational. Kids educational game. Educational games for kids. I see some developer who put this game or no. New Swiss store release recently. Move to top 1. It's some company. Wow, they don't make any posting long time. Let's find something else. Educational game, educational page. World Education Games. Okay, you need to like this page, send a message, hey, we have this game, we will happy if you can post it. If you can't make it, you can simply, if you can send a message, simply try to post on their page. And yes, it's work. Some of the pages post your game. If you have a good game, so you get downloads and it's free. Okay, so it's what my virtual assistant going to do. And yes, it's also link building for the app. What happened basically, link building, who don't know what is link building, Google algorithm recognize what your app start to be popular. Everybody start to go, they don't know who make it. Okay, they don't know what is your virtual assistant made it. They see in the algorithm, hey, a lot of people start to talk about your app. Your app start to be relevant, so they want to promote it. That's all. Now, few things about track traffic of the app, of link building, and in general. You have like expert. It's app flyer, okay. Flyer. Okay, I guess most of you don't know about what I'm talking about, so I'm going to explain it more slow. If you want to know the clicks get to your app, so you need to track in some way. The most easy way in the world to track clicks, and it's also option to track traffic, but I only track clicks, is create Bitly link. Okay, it's very easy. Open free Bitly account and make create link. I get my app. I never make it with Bitly also track installs. Only it's enough for me no clicks, because I know if I get clicks, so it's also will get traffic. And I get customized link. Okay, I can call him ZZZ, Fiverr, and name of the gig Johnny. Okay, for example, is the guy order for him, and make save. I send Johnny this link. Okay, Johnny put the link on his forum. And somebody click on the link. Now, first of all, you can know how many links if you put plus here. And you can see, hey, somebody click on my link. One click from Israel. It's me. So it's the way to know if you get links for the app. Very easy. Is the first option. Second option, it's integrating your app Metrica. It's free tracking system. And if you do it, you also can recognize installs for free. Yes, for free. It's not cost money. You open the application, you create tracker of the app, put the tracker, put the app, put the platform. You get some select new partner, test. It also have option to make trackers besides companies, but what I want is a new partner. Fiverr. Okay. Title, destination, application settings. I forget already how make it. I don't work with them too much, like you can see. I will show you who I work. Okay, and I have the link. This link I can send to developer, and if it's integrated, so it's work. Now with who I work, and it's paid because again it needs to be integrated in the app, but this system also recognize it's recognized also traffic that I can buy from ad networks. For example, this app I buy traffic and also track installs. You can see I can see the all sources that I get from Uplovin, I get traffic, I get from Facebook ads traffic and shares in the game traffic, and also from more options that I use. And here also very easy to open a tracker. Make simply integrate tracker, custom tracking link, and put test, for example, test, and I have tracking link. It's cost 5 cents per install that you get. Okay, 5 cents, so it costs money. But here you can work with many companies that you can't work in AppMetrica or in Bitly, and it's have more features. But if you want to use the basic things, work with these first options. Okay, now I hope for you that you stay with me. Today the 13th, something you must to do. Google going to remove many apps in March 15, and I guess some of you don't know about it even. Don't get notification, not make nothing with notifications. You must quickly, if you get notification, make a private policy for the app. If you don't know what's private policy, make the next step. It's, for example, a private policy of this app. Here's the private policy. Every game I think need to I get for all my games private policy. Everything that you have ads, it's automatically already you need private policy. Okay, it's a private policy but of this game, and they take the format from me. Now I'm going to, you can go to my site and go to blog, and you can find here already a few private policy that I put. All what you need to do is copy paste my private policy, upload it for some server. It can be even for some, I don't know, blog that you have, or open some blog. It's not a problem if you don't have a site. Some free blog, some free page. You have many options, many sites for free, and change the data to your data. Okay, try to read it and see what's relevant for you. Again, read it one time, it's not so long. Okay, it's 2 pages maybe, and add all the things relevant for you correctly by using following subscription data, transfer your data, Colorado apps. Okay, in this game, for example, you need to have something. Okay, you need to have something so you can live in the store. If you don't put it, your simply account going to be remove all the apps. Critical, super critical for you. I want to put you this page so you can download it. Now I'm going to make something called keyword installs. You can see it in my blog. You don't need to buy it. If you want to buy it, you can buy it. I'm going to send direct traffic to the keyword of hard riddles to try to improve it 100 downloads per day, and try to improve the ranking, get the first place. All the users are real. It's simply users who look after my app. Again, you can see it here, what done, and you can see how it's work. Very cool. Again, have more examples, but here you can see very cool system. Now I think in the beginning to tell you go to my site and buy it, but let's make different deal that can work good for you, for both of us. Must close few things. Go to Facebook. Already in the end of the video. And create a post that you share basically my video. Okay, you can go here and if you make share, so you get a link. Okay, go to Facebook, put in Facebook, find my page, Astolik. Okay, and put something like great video by Astolik. That's all. I will see a notification. I will send you a link to my source. It's worth a lot of money, and it can boost your game or service. I'm going to basically give you link. It's not link only for my source. I give you to connection to my supplier. So it's going to cost you basically how it's much cost me, with something like half price for what you see in the site. Okay. Cool. You have support. I create support bot for my clients. So basically, people ask me here questions. I don't know who is it. Oh, something for work. So people simply ask me here questions. It's from my profile and I test things. You can ask what you want. The bot going to answer you. Now it's in progress. Take advantage on it, because what the bot will not answer you, I'm going to answer you and include in the bot. So you're going to get an answer for every question you want. And I'll build it like knowledge of the bot. So let's ask him ASO tips. Okay, for example, you must make good ASO price, mean good keywords, Android, iOS, totally different platforms. If you want to ask something directly, let's ask for iOS keywords. Okay, I include really the latest tips here. Make 100 charts, mistakes, title, long tail keyword, localize keyword, use keywords. You can go here and go to title tricks. Make maximum. Okay, so it's go like this. ASO prices. Let's go to prices. I want to Android, and you can come to the store, but you don't need to buy nothing. Okay, so take advantage on it. And like I tell you, go to Facebook, take the link of the video and share it. Okay. I think that's all. I think that's all about the video. I'm going to show you more results in the next 1-2 weeks, because meanwhile, again, not done nothing. I only change the graphics, change the title to see where we're going to rank. from today things need to move. We need to get installs from the keyword booster. It's going to boost the apps again, everything it's real, and things going to move. I hope in the next video I already can show you that we make a few dozens of installs per day, and if it's happening, it's going to be very cool. Maybe I will make some changes also in the description. I'm going to make for sure changes in the description in the next video, but I'm going to show you about ASO. And that's it. If you have questions, everything to ask, simply put in the end of in the comments. Don't forget, subscribe and get notification, very critical. And again, if you want me to give you the access to my source, simply share the video. If it's the video, put Astolik and write something for your followers. Okay, you help me, I will help you with the source, and it's really work, and it's cost a lot of money, and it's take me time find the source. I use few sources. I'm going to give you one of them, the most cheapest, by the way. And that's all. So good luck everybody, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.